All right, so this is Corey from SaaS Pegasus, and today I want to demo the new GitHub integration that is available for all Pegasus projects. So to do this, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to call it GitHub demo. Maybe I'll give it a GitHub demo, and I'm just going to leave all these settings as the default settings for now. And so you'll see my project shows up here. And now when I go to download the code, in addition to this normal download zip file tab, there's a push to GitHub tab. So I'm going to click on that, and Pegasus is going to tell me, okay, I need to connect to my GitHub account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I will authorize SaaS Pegasus here, which will send me back. And then I can add a repository. I'm going to add a GitHub demo repository here. And now I can create a new code base. So I'm going to click this button, and this is going to build my Pegasus project and push it to GitHub. So if I refresh my GitHub repository list here, you can see this GitHub demo application was just created, but it's got nothing in it. That's because Pegasus is still building my project. It's still updating the Python requirements, building my database migrations, and so on. But this should complete in a moment. And there you can see it is pushing to GitHub, and it's done. So now if I refresh this page, you will see I have a brand new Pegasus project here with all the code. It's got my README, my getting started instructions. Hopefully the CI should be running. Let's see if it is. Yep. So the first CI is running now. This will run my tests, build my front end, ensure that everything is working properly. And now I can just clone this repo and get started immediately with local development. Yeah, so that's how easy it is to get started with your project now in GitHub. You can see those tests are starting to pass. That's cool. What is actually even cooler is how this works with upgrades and changes to your project configuration. So now I'm going to go back to my project, and I'm going to make a couple changes here. So let's maybe enable login with Google. And let's change the deploy platform to DigitalOcean. So I'm going to save that project again. And now I'm going to go back to the download page. And now you'll see instead of a create repository button, there's a submit pull request button, which I'm going to press. And now what Pegasus is going to do is it's going to rebuild my code base with the updated configuration that I've made. So it's going to enable those features that I just turned on. And then it's going to submit a pull request to my repository for just those changes that have been made in the application. So it's almost done. Now I can click view pull request here, and you can see there's a new pull request, and what should be inside here is some changes. So there's now a Docker file because we've selected a deployment. We have documentation about Google authentication because we turned that on, and so on. So yeah, I am really excited about this feature. I've been using it for about a week now, and it's really streamlined how quick and easy it is to make changes to my project configuration, to upgrade Pegasus between versions. So I'm super excited about this. I hope that it helps you build and launch your apps with Pegasus even faster.